The Garmin Index BPM can be used by up to 15 users, but can only be connected on one phone. So the way that this works is that there is a owner. And if you want to see it, when you did connect it on your first phone, you will see if you go into your device over here, that's the Garmin Connect app. You go into the, here we can see my watch, so you can click on here, which will be your devices. And then I can see here my Index BPM. So if I enter into here, I've got an option here that is Manage Users. And if I get into here, I can see the users. So you can invite people. So you see I'm the owner, but I can invite some people. If I go to invite people, I've got all my friends over here and I just have to click on the invite button and your friends or family will receive a notification on the bell just right here on their Garmin app. And from here, they can log in and they will be asked to enter a name. That name, by the way, if you don't have your friend on that list, you will go on more and then you will go into connections and then you can invite friends. So if you go here, you can send it to one of your contact over here, or you can simply hit copy, which will create a code that you will be able to send with message, text, or email, whatever you want. Just share that link and that people will be able to connect with you. You probably can also find people by searching them over here. Personally, I use the link, they accept it, and then we are friends. Then, once this is done, when they accept the invitation, after you take one blood pressure and it's synchronized to the web, when you will hit the person logo here, you will see you can navigate to, you see this is me, how to, and then that would be to add someone, and then I've got another contact which have accepted the invitation. So you simply select the profile on which you want to do the reading, put it onto your arm and press on the heart to take the reading. Once the reading is done, it will sync on the Wi-Fi and be sent to the right people. That was the name here. So it will sync to the account linked to that name, if that's clear. I hope this was helpful.